Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming hands-on. Now we are going to discuss file handling. The files are very important in the Python programming. There are text files is there, CSV files are there. So how we can handle that is very important to understand first. Now we're just going to the file handling first. So now files. So what is a file actually? Now how we can open a file first? How to open or create a file? We need to understand that is F1 is a file handler. F1 is equal to open. We need to write a file name, comma, and mode. So here F1 means it's a file handler. Mode means here read mode or write mode or append mode. So R means read mode, or it may be the write, that is write mode. So there are three different modes are there. So here by default, if you not provide any mode, by default it's a read mode only. And we need to understand with examples first. Some example, some f1 is equal to open some file name, file1 dot text, comma, or you can write like this, some a is equal to f1 dot read lines. So this will do reading of all the lines take place. So now if you print it, then we can get the total thing. So print a, so we'll get a all the lines of data will come. If you want to know the how many lines of the program, you can write like this, print length of a, len of a, then it's a number of lines. This way also we can print for I in f1 colon print I. This also prints all the lines. Try to understand it hands-on. Now just open it, just copy. Yeah, try to save file1 dot py. cd now python so see, yeah, we can understand here what is the error here is open file1 dot text read file not found exception, such error in a file. Okay, first of all file1 is dot text is not created first of all, right? So now open this folder and create a one text file, file1. Just open any explorer, open See, importance of education. Just I'm copying these lines. Yeah, just save it. Yeah, now we'll execute it. See, okay, now just comment this one first. See, whatever we have, everything that will be print. So print A, that prints all the lines, and print length of A, that is number of lines are 4. Here, if you run this program, so what we'll get is, so we are not getting anything actually. Yeah. Otherwise, I just comment it. We'll see. This is also way we can print actually. This is a way we can print the file, so you can understand. So if you comment it, yeah, we'll get the output like this. These 4 lines we'll get. This is a way we can print the file data.